Proboscis monkeys, the most aquatic monkey of all. They live alongside another denizen of the forest, but this one is a spy. But he's here to meet whoever visits the river. The group is led by a dominant male, easily distinguished by his massive nose, used to amplify his calls. So the button-nosed youngsters have some way to go. Real orangutans are also drawn to the plants that thrive near the river. Best check out this one from afar. Now for a closer look. Perhaps wisest left alone. There's yet one more unique animal to meet. The elusive pygmy elephant. The smallest elephant in the world. Here, another spy awaits. It's where they drink and bathe. Today, they won't be bathing alone. Assuming they let Spy Elephant join them. They are notoriously shy, so it's a sensitive moment. But he's soon closer than ever thought possible. It's mission accomplished. But who can resist meeting a baby elephant? He's gone. Like all good spy creatures, he carries on filming.